Safety first, fellow drivers. Today we're embarking on a journey through the ultimate guide to buying a safe car. Buckle up as we navigate the twists and turns of automotive safety, ensuring you hit the road with confidence and peace of mind. Step 1 of crash test ratings. Your first line of defense. Explore the crash test ratings of prospective cars to ensure they meet the highest safety standards, providing a solid shield in the event of an accident. Step 2 tests. Advanced driver assistance systems. From lane departure warnings to automatic emergency braking, these features act as your vigilant co-pilot, actively preventing accidents and keeping you in control. Airbags and safety belts. The dynamic duo of protection. Ensure your car is equipped with multiple airbags and advanced safety belt systems, creating a cocoon of safety for you and your passengers. Child safety features. Securing the future. Whether it's ISOFIX anchors or rear-view cameras, prioritize cars that offer robust child safety features, ensuring your little ones are shielded on every journey. Visibility and lighting. Seeing and being seen. Opt for cars with excellent visibility and advanced lighting systems, providing clarity during nighttime drives and adverse weather conditions. Ready to make safety a priority? Subscribe for more expert tips, and let's drive into a world where safety is non-negotiable. Safe travels, everyone.